Ever wondered why your plants aren't flourishing despite all the love and care you shower on them? Could it be a gardening mystery or perhaps something more scientific? The answer could surprise you. The secret lies in the soil, or more specifically, in its pH levels. So, what exactly are these pH levels we're talking about? Well, imagine pH as a scale that measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is, ranging from 0 to 14. The middle 7 is considered neutral. Anything below 7 leans towards the acidic side, while anything above is more alkaline. Now here's the fun part. Just like you might prefer chocolate over broccoli, different plants have their own preferences when it comes to pH levels. Just as we have food preferences, plants have pH preferences. Now you might ask, why do pH levels matter so much? The crux of the matter is this. pH levels directly influence nutrient availability. Picture a banquet table filled with all the nutrients your plants crave. Now imagine a bouncer at the door, deciding who gets in. That bouncer is pH. If the pH is too high or too low, it denies entry to essential nutrients, regardless of how plentiful they might be in the soil. The wrong pH level can literally starve your plants. The good news is, you can adjust the pH of your soil. Start by testing it using a simple soil pH test kit. If it's too acidic, sprinkling a bit of lime can raise the pH. Conversely, if it's too alkaline, introducing sulfur can lower the pH. Remember, it's important to follow product instructions closely to avoid overcorrection. It's like creating a custom cocktail for your plants. With a little effort, you can create the perfect environment for your plants. Understanding pH levels can revolutionize your gardening experience. They guide nutrient absorption, with wrong levels causing plant issues. But fear not, adjusting pH is possible. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!